Hello friends, welcome to IICE. This is Naresh Raj and today's discussion about the programming of Arduino and Sketch. In this video we will see how can we do program of this microprocessor of this Arduino, and in this earlier video we see the hardware parts of this Arduino, and in this video we see how can write a program. And now see, first we will discuss Sketch. Sketch is the name that Arduino used for a program. It is the unit code that is uploaded to and run on an Arduino board. And here you are seeing that this is a example of this Arduino blinking program, and this is overall a sketch of this Arduino program. And now first to the write command, and for write any program first we will have to consider this point that we will have to write a command, because with the help of command we know about the what is aim, what is our aim, what we want to do in this program. And now you are seeing that using multiple line command we can write on this program with the help of this symbol, this and this. And now if we want to write only single line command, then we see this double backslash is used for the single line command. And this is a first basic of the sketch of this Arduino program. And now here you are seeing this is a program of this LED blinking. And now we will see next is one by one. And now first we will see setup. With the help of setup we set up pin. Assume that if we want to display the output of this Arduino at the pin number 13, and here you are seeing that we are display the output of the LED at the pin number 13. So we set the pin first. So now we using void setup, and with the help of setup now you are seeing this is a pin mode, means with the help of pin mode we assign the pin that we want to work with the help of that pin. Assume here LED pin 13, and we want to see the output of this pin 13, and here this is a void setup, means this with this help of setup we set a pin, and that pin we want to display our output. And now next is a digital write, and now with the help of digital write pin we write our input to the output. As you are seeing that this is a void loop, and in this loop what is the mean of loop, that we want to write our code to repeatedly. And now in this we are using digital write, means we are writing on the pin that we have set on this output. And now we are seeing that here we set the pin 13 to output. And now what is the state of this output for high, for how much time we want to set the high, then we use a delay, because with the help of this delay we push the program. And here this means is a 1 second, 1 millisecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 3, and for the convert the 1 second we can write this 1000, right? So this with the help of delay 1000 we can post our LED output at the high level for the 1 second. And so for such type, and next pin LED pin 13 and low, and with the help of this we can post this state of for the 1 second. And now we will see next loop means what is loop after creating a setup function which initializes the sets the initial value, the loop function does precisely what its name suggests, and loops consecutively allowing your program to change and respond. Use it to actively control the Arduino board, means with the help of this loop we can repeat our task to one by one whenever the result to what we want to not got. And now next is pin mode. as you are seeing that in this void setter function, pin mode is used to assign the value of the pin number what we want to get a output. As here you are saying that we assign a LED pin number 13 to the output, means 13 pin is assigned to the output, and the syntax of this pin mode is write pin mode and pin number, and the mode is output and input, and third mode is one mode is input and next mode is output, and third mode is input pull up, acts as a input with reverse polarity. Third one is input pull up. And next, delay. With the help of delay we can push the program for the amount of time in millisecond, but for the convert in the second we can multiply the 1000 in this 1 millisecond, then we can convert the millisecond to second. And now next is, now you see that in this video how can we write our sketch and what is the main important parameter of this sketch, and in this next video we implement this sketch to the our blinking LED blinking program. So thank you.